What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Make It Custom. Today we are going to deliver a 1941 Chrysler Windsor 3-window coupe to Mike Hall from Rust Valley Restorers. I don't know if you know that guy or if you watch that show, but he's local, kind of, 5 hours away from where we're at. He's just a super nice dude that's a Mopar aficionado. He has way too many cars. I don't know why he has so many cars, but he has like 400 freaking cars, and he can't resist a good Mopar, especially a 3-window coupe. He already has a Dodge 3-window coupe of the same year, and he's just dead set on having pairs of everything, I guess. He'd probably buy 3 if he could. Posted mine for sale. He called me up, said he'd take it. I said, well, why don't I deliver it to you and we'll make a little video of it. So the other thing that happened was right after we talked about him buying the car, I got a message from his metal guy, Blair. I got a chance to meet these guys a couple of years ago after COVID cruise that they did. You might have seen an episode, it was on the show. But they invited me to a little barbecue after. I got to meet their metal bumper, their metal shaper guy. His name's Blair, and he called me up saying, hey, I'm working right now at Rust Valley, and I didn't bring my planishing hammer. Could you bring your planishing hammers up, and could we do a little bit of work together on this little project? So that's something that we're gonna do while we're there. I don't think that we're gonna be able to film it because I think it's part of the show. I am really excited to just go show them this hammer. I'm Carl Fisher. Christina, my beautiful wife, she's behind the camera. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and join us for the journey. Let's go.
Where are those guys?
Going to see our friends.
What do you think of the Volkswagen?
Oh man, I can't believe you guys are gonna do that in like 10 days or whatever it's gonna
We're
be.
just gonna rough it in. I mean, I sold them in 1969.
Yeah.
And I've been on the road in probably 40 years. The guys came, brought parts, drove it out of my field in the same day. It was pretty cool.
Well, they're simple cars, right?
Yeah.
They're simple, but like...
I'm just not into them. It was almost a rough. I almost regretted it, like removing it, and it was full of like greenhouse plastic, and there was four engine blocks in it. Like he plays this game when he buys a Volkswagen, says, "What's in the van, man?"
Oh
so
my
he starts unloading plastic out of this van. There's one Buick block and a Chevy block and another Buick block. Look what's in the van, man. It was
No
pretty
way.
Cool. Okay, this is a 1941. Right there. That way we got room to slow it down. Yeah. No, I got a 38 Plymouth Business Coupe. I got a 38 Plymouth two-door sedan. Hello.
Is this like a scam call right now?
Use card services in the past for your credit card. To allow these charges, press 1. To cancel these charges, press 2. To listen these messages again, press 0.
Oh, they hung up.
Must not be
I
that
just like it
important.
when they talk to me. Says, listen, you I'm gonna crawl through this phone, shove a size 14 right up your ass. Then they hang up. Right? They take all the fun out of it. Look, pardon my French.
Half the work's already done.
Well, it depends what I want to do with it. I don't like that hood.
Drop it.
What do you think of it?
I kind of like it. I was gonna go custom grill with custom headlights and stuff because it was missing that. But since you got another car, I mean, you could change the whole clip and go for it.
When they just run all the grill bars out here, it kind of looks.
Yeah, like obviously branch something in, do something cool.
Yeah.
You know, I mean,
Who knows?
who knows?
I've been selling so
Look
much.
at that. Free vice grips for you, Milwaukee's.
gonna start drooling and ejaculate all over it.
36.
No. Yeah, I'm gonna need the 36. Wow.
Thanks, man. I appreciate that. Coming from you.
Oh, come on, man.
Hey, I seen the stuff you do. You're true old school, man.
Oh, yeah.
I'm stoked that you guys are stoked to use them, and yeah, have at her, man.
That's
So I'll say goodbye to you now.
A
Thanks,
dirt Charivi, man.
thanks a lot, Mike.
Oh, sayonara.
Ah, yes.
Two planishing hammers that we have to return.
Yes. Okay, well, I told them we're gonna push the out of them, so we'll get the show to film us using them.
Wicked.
And Connor will come and we'll do some YouTube stuff and put them on our Instagram, whatever that means.
Awesome, man.
Okay, man, you have a good day.
You too, man. Thanks a lot, boys. See you,
Thank
Blair.
Stop.
Man, there's a lot of stuff going on at Rust Bros. Holy crap. They had us kind of running around, running back and forth. Mike's just a crazy dude. He's got a million things on the go. But we got him his car. I forgot the paperwork, my bad. I got to ship that in the mail to him. He hooked us up with a couple of shirts. They weren't ready for the planishing hammer, so we couldn't do a demo, but Blair, he's the metal guy there. He's well-respected, wicked metal guy. And he's gonna take care of my personal hammers for the next week or so and use them on a Volkswagen build that they're doing. It's pretty dented up, and he's gonna bump out the roof and use the hammers on the roof. And so it was a great trip. I mean, we were kind of in and out, dropped the car, got our free shirts, and hung out with Mike for a little bit, and that was it. He's got a million people pulling him in a million different directions, but we appreciate his time, and we had a great time. So we're heading to Salmon Arm. We're gonna go visit our buddy Preston at Lakeview Fab. He's got one finned drum for my hot rod. I can't find 62 Lincoln Continental finned drums in okay shape. If any of you have one, let me know, because I need one more for my personal hot rod. And we're actually gonna bring him a panel that Mike Hall needed him to weld up, so we're kind of a messenger at the same time. But all in all, I mean, we're having a wicked day, aren't we, sweetie?
The best.
And the best. Okay, back on the road. All right, well, we're leaving the area. We're just in Kamloops right now. We're taking off. We got to see Preston for a few minutes there, bring him the part that Mike gave us to drop off. I'm excited to see what Blair has to say about our planishing hammer. I think it's cool that he's stoked to use them and try them out on that Volkswagen. But we're heading back now. They've finally opened the Coquihalla. It's been closed for a couple days because fire has literally been burning hundreds of feet tall, crazy forest fires in BC. It's pretty nuts. So they just opened it this afternoon. We're heading back down the Coquihalla so that we can get home. It might be kind of crazy. We might actually see forest fire. We're not sure yet, but that's where we're heading now. Trying to go home. It's been a long day. This is super up. I've never seen this before in my life. We are driving through like a forest fire, basically. Trees are burnt everywhere. Like, we're coughing on the smoke. We can see embers burning, like, in the trees. There's cops pulled over, guarding, like...
All these trees right here already burnt down.
Yeah, all those trees are burnt down. We haven't even got, like, that far on our drive through this area. It's like, super sad, because, like, all these trees have been green my whole life, and this is just brutal, you know? This is beautiful British Columbia. Like, I taste the fire right now. We've got, you know, recirculating air inside the truck so that we're not breathing in fresh smoke, but like, holy crap, this is ridiculous. Like, we're not even close to where the fire is right now because it's moving. It's 20,000 hectares, only this fire. This fire merged with another fire. It poured rain yesterday. There's flames in the bushes right there. Like, it's burning. We just got here. This is nuts. Well, we're back in Hope now. We got through all that smoke and forest fire. It was kind of like when you see the moonshiners in the mountains with all the little fires burning. Pretty brutal, but all we could see is the silhouettes of all the dead trees, like on the tops of the mountains. It was it's pretty crazy just to, like, I know fires burn all the time and there's tons in BC, but just like driving through it and being in that smoke, it was crazy. But anyway, it was still a good day despite all the craziness happening in BC. We had fun going and seeing Mike and Blair, and we tried to meet up with Avery. That didn't happen, but going to visit Preston. If you're in the area and you need some fab work, Salmon Arm, that area, Preston at Lakeview Fab, give him a call. He does some seriously good work. So anyway, thanks a lot for watching Make It Kustom. Don't forget to like, hit subscribe, click notifications. We appreciate everybody. Christina and I love you guys, so have a good one. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.